How to make a bunny ears beanie with an ADDI EXPRESS knitting machine. Materials: 1 knitting machine, 2 skeins of your favorite yarn, 1 tapestry needle, 1 pair of scissors, and of course, some good music. Step 1. Make the beanie. Start by casting on and setting the counter to 0. Then, crank the number of rows needed to make your beanie with your favorite yarn. For this one, I'm using medium acrylic yarn, so I use the whole skein, which is 112 rows. Step 2. Make the ears. Take 1 skein and divide it in half to make both ears. If your beanie is 120 rows, knit each ear with 60 rows. Since my beanie was 112 rows, I made each ear 56 rows. Step 3. Assemble the beanie. Okay, this part is a bit tricky. I didn't follow a strict method, just kind of winged it. I sewed the ears on as securely as possible, placing them in the center. This way, I can wear the ears either in the front or back. 4. Admire your bunny ears beanie. You can tell from the look on Josephine's face that she's very happy with it. It took about an hour to complete, and a friend warned me to be careful with the dogs outside when I wear it. So stay safe and stay warm.